Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we are making coconut oil. So I'm going to show you how you can make coconut oil in the comfort of your home. First, I have the coconut, and then I'll go ahead and crack it and remove it from the shell. That's remove the flesh from the shell. For this, I'm also going to scrape out the skin, so I'll do that off the camera or behind camera. Now I'm done scraping off the coconut skin. The next thing I'll do is to cut it into pieces or slice into pieces to help the blender. You can also use your grater and grate it if your blender is not strong enough before blending it. Here I have it. So the next step is to blend. I'll add into my blender, add water enough to blend, and then we blend. After blending, I'll then pour it into my chiffon cloth or bag and squeeze it to separate the milk from the chaff. You know, it's the milk we're going to use to make the coconut oil. And here we have our coconut milk. So I'll be taking out about 2 cups of milk from this one, which I'm going to use for something else or another recipe. And then I'll transfer the remaining to the pot. We're going to cook the coconut milk until the oil separates from the milk. Let's continue. Now our coconut milk is on the stove. I'll come back to it when it starts boiling. Meanwhile, this is the chaff I got from the coconut. I'm going to pour it in the tray and take it out to the sun to dry. Look at how beautiful it is. In fact, this is the main reason I scraped off the skin, so that I'll be able to get a beautiful and fine chaff, which I'm going to turn into coconut powder. And now the milk has started boiling, so I'll reduce the heat to medium or low heat, and I'll also stir it. I'll be stirring this at intervals, and I'll continue to do this until the oil separates from the milk. We'll see that later. You can also keep your milk in the fridge for some hours. That will enable the milk to separate from the water before you start boiling it. That shortens the time for boiling or cooking the milk. We're almost there. I will cook it for about 10 minutes more so that the milk will dry very well. And I like my coconut milk a little bit golden color. So I'll cook it for about 10 minutes more. And our coconut oil is ready. This was what I got from about 3 coconuts. Though they are small coconuts, they are not that big, medium-sized coconuts. Well, it's not that bad. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.